Okay, here's what you need to fix a low or broken toilet flange. So you can see this one here is rusted. We pulled this up earlier and we noticed that it was also very crooked. So you can see that this is down about 3/4 of an inch where this is about a 1/2 inch. So here's what you need. You need a OneNDone toilet flange repair kit that also comes with metal bolts as well. So either or. One thing that you'll also need is a 3/16 drill bit. We're just going to open up these holes where we have them marked. Before you apply the screws or anchors, you just want to make sure that all of your holes are deeper than your screws. So now we're going to install the OneNDone flange repair kit over the top. So as you can see, we have the toilet sitting on top of a towel, and that's to prevent any chipping. We can just pick this right up, right over, and you can also see the seal pops right back up.